Now Photoshop has many different options to create masks, but one of the ones that we actually learn very early on is quick mask. And you find it here. Now engage it and just find a brush. And the cool thing about quick mask is that now you can just paint over the areas you want to select and you will see red. Now if there's something that you don't want in your selection, it's very simple to take it out. You just click here or press the X key and you change between the front and the back color. And now I can take things out. Now some people ask me like, hey Frank, what does black, what does white? I don't know. It's very simple. If black doesn't work, white will work because you only have two options. One takes it out, one gets it in the selection. So don't think too much about it. There's more important stuff that you have to remember. Okay. So now I have this selection. Now when I disengage this, you will see that my model is selected. And this is probably different than from your Photoshop. Because when you get Photoshop standard out of the box, or they don't sell boxes anymore, but you know what I mean, right? If you install software for the first time, you will actually find out that the other way is selected. And for me, that didn't make any sense because if I paint somewhere, I want that part to be selected, right? Okay, so how do you change this? Instead of constantly doing the inverse mask. Well, double click on this and you will find out that color indicates masked areas or selected areas. And in my case, I have it on selected area. So that means that if I paint over something, that part will be selected. And standard in Photoshop, if you paint over something, that's the part that isn't selected. And for me, that doesn't make any sense. So this is a very simple trick to literally just make your selections a little bit easier or at least more logical in my opinion.